Good morning, students. In this lecture, I am explaining you some more patterns. In this pattern, we are displaying this pattern 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the pattern with spaces. So first here will be 4 spaces, then the value will become 1. After that 3 spaces, then the value will become 1, 2, then 2 spaces, then 1 spaces, and in last line there is the no spaces. Now see the coding of this example. Class demo void display, so this will be common for all the programs. We are taking 3 variable. I is for row, j is for column, and sp is for space. For I equal 1, I is less than equal 5, I plus plus, so the number will be generated from this loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And before printing we have to require 4 spaces. So we are starting a loop for sp equal I, so the value of I is current 1. So this will be start from 1, sp is less than equal 4, sp plus plus. So this loop first time will be execute from 1 to 4. So 4 spaces will come. Here we are printing a 1 space between the SOP statement. This is the SOP, not a SOPLN. And now the loop is starting from j equal 1 for the values j is less than equal I. So this will be execute only one time. So the value will become 1 after the 4 spaces. Here the line will be changed. Next the value of I will be 2. So the loop space loop start from 2. 2 is less than equal 4 space plus plus. So this will be execute 2, 3, 4. So there will be the 3 space will come in the second row. After that third loop will be start, and the value of j is starting from 1. So j is less than equal 2, because right now the value of I is 2. So this will print 1 and 2. Then again the line change, and next in third row the value of I will be 3. Space is start from 3, 3 and 4, 2 space will be there. After that j is start from 1 and j is less than equal I, j plus plus. So this will be print 1, 2, 3, and in third line, so this will be print 1, 2, 3, because right now the value is 3 and j start from 1. So this will be print the value 1, 2 and 3. Similarly this will be print up to 5. Now this is the next pattern. In last class I have also explained this 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and this is the without spaces. But for this first we have to design the pattern for the values such as 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, this type of value. And we will write a condition in j loop when the value of j will be even. So 0 will be print, and the value of j will be odd, so the 1 will be print. Now see the solution of this question. Class demo void display integer I comma j. First loop start from the 1 less than equal 5, and the second loop start from the I j equal I, j is greater equal 1. So this will be execute from 1 to 1, and right now the condition is false if condition. So first time else will be execute. So else will be execute and the value will be printed 1. Then line change when the value will be decreased, so this will become a 0. In next row the I is start from 2, the value of I will be 2. J is start from I, so this will be execute 2 and 1, and the first value will be even, so 0 will be printed. After decrement, that will become a 1, so 1 will be printed. So similarly this will be printed 1 0 1 1 0 1 and so on. Now this is fixed star printing with spaces, so this is similar to today's first example. In that we will just write the star in place of J. So first loop will be execute here 1 to 5, second will be I to 4, so the space is common, and this is execute J loop only one time, so 1 star will be print, and second time the J will be execute 2 times, so 2 star will be print after the 3 spaces, and similarly this will print all this. Now this is the pattern number 4, so this is the most important. So how this will be print, this is just a modification in this. So after that spaces will be same, first will be the 4 spaces, then 3, then 2, then 1, and there is the no spaces, and after the star there is the one space is comes, so first space will be here, so we will print the star and space. So one time this value will be come, and second row 2 times star will be printed according to this. So 2 times star space will be print, so this area will be cover below of the first star, so this will be print star space 1 time, star space second time. So the coding is similar to the all above. We have to just change the statement, printing statement of J SOP star plus space.